Well, today is the 3rd of August 2026, and we're having a bit of a crisis here close to Thailand. There's an Indonesian ferry which caught fire. Already 5 people are dead and quite a few missing. And this made me think. But I wrote a book codenamed Caribbean, which is about counter maritime terrorism, which was based upon two things. Firstly, that phone call between Tony Blair and the late Gaddafi. We warned him as he's coming. Secondly, it was also the Mumbai terrorist attack of 2008 was actually planned to be a maritime terrorist thing. They wanted to hijack a passenger ship or something in the Mediterranean, and they also had designs on the Suez Channel. And of all the counter-terrorism things that you can do in life, that is probably the hardest, is to rescue a ship, simply because it's difficult to get on it. You can't use the normal, coming and abseil down or swim to it or come with your rubber tops. That's 1950s. There is a new method which was designed, described in codename Willow Bay. If you want to know about it, and it's the one which I suggested to be used here in this practice run because it's based upon a training scenario. And of course, once you get people on that ship, you have to clear that ship. It's really hard, and then also your security measures taken by the US, especially, was number one target for obvious reasons. Is quite pathetic actually. It came out that the explosive stocks were actually not trained. But anyway, to make a long story very short, is in this book it came out that there was another disaster called the Super Ferry 14. One word, Super Ferry 14. You can go and research it or read the book. And you'll find out there that somebody smuggled in 8 pounds. Now that's not a lot of explosives. 8 pounds of TNT in a suitcase onto the ship. It exploded, the ship sank. Yeah, and it's a big ship. I think it was 10,000 tons or something. It's a fairly large ship, and many died. It was quite horrific. Of course, the crew didn't really fight the fires. It got out of control. In a properly trained ship, will it have happened like that? Probably not. But that is a world record I know about. 8 pounds of explosives of TNT to sink a ship of 10,000 tons.